So let's look at what happened in the market today. Looking at what Trump said, Trump deadline looms after he says a whole civilization will die tonight without a deal. This is a major threat. Right now, I saw a video, I don't know how real it is. Iranian in their thousands held hands together to surround the energy plant that Trump threatened to bomb or to strike. So that tells you that this threat is actually intense, and we don't know if he's going to carry it out or not. And I think the market is sensing that maybe there will be a deal going on because of this major threat. And anyway, the market don't lie. Men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie. The market don't lie. The market will always give us insight about what is happening in the market. And let's look at another news. US denies nuclear plan as deadline on threat to Iran civilization looms get closer. So there's been a lot of rumor, so to speak, that US are planning to actually use nuclear on Iran. But right now they're coming out to deny it, that Trump threat to kill whole civilization and comment from VP Vance has raised fears in the White House is rattling the nuclear sabre. So this is just news. We don't know what's going to happen, and we don't know if Trump is going to back down or if the Iranians have their representative who are discussing on the deal with Trump. We don't know. But with this kind of threat and with the response we're seeing from the Iranians, it tells that maybe Trump might be speaking with the new regime, and maybe they will come to a logical or a peaceful conclusion, because we all need ceasefire. You might think it's not affecting you. Any which way, we are all human, and we need to love one another. And with this kind of threat, locking the Strait of Hormuz has affected every nation. So this war is affecting every nation, either one way or the other. So we all call for ceasefire. We need peace so that the market can be safe, because the market don't like uncertainty. Yes, the market don't like uncertainty. So Trump has backed himself into a corner with the threat that the US military can't feasibly carry out in one full swoop. Military expert and analyst told BBC, and they warn that a new round of attack, no matter how large, is unlikely to force the Iranian regime to quickly agree ceasefire. So they are saying no matter the force and everything that you're going to bring in, you are not going to make those guys to back down or to chicken out. You get the point. So anyway, let's just quickly jump to the market and let's do some brief analysis in the market. So looking at Google Finance, we're currently looking at the market index. S&P is still strong, close at plus 5 basis points. And we also have the Dow Jones Industrial Average also, which also closed down negative 85 basis points. We also have the Nasdaq Composite also closed positive at 0.098%, and we have the Russell 2000 Index closed 0.17%. We also have the S&P TSS Composite Index also closed positive, and also the Ibovespa also closed 96%. We have other market also. You can see the Asia, the Europe and Middle East market, and Africa. You can see the stocks are actually down. And if you look at the Asia Pacific, we also have Nikkei 225 also up. We have the SSE Composite also. They are also up. Let's quickly jump to the most active stocks for the day. These are stocks that actually attracted volume. You can see Nvidia Corporation. Nvidia closed $178. That is a uptick of 0.46. That is 46 cents, which amounts to 0.26%. We also have the International Corporation also closed 52.91, and that is a $2.13. That is 4.19% uptick. We have Plug Power also. Plug Power, though is red, but volume, that is either an investor is dumping, that is why it's red, but they are active today. That is, they are traded some volume in the market today. We also have the Nokia OYJ. We have the Granite shares 2x short Nvidia. Right now it's short Nvidia, but Nvidia closed positive. So you would have longed Nvidia. So they have another one also that you long Nvidia. So we have Tesla. Tesla also closed 346. We have Grab Holdings. We have Apple. Apple close to the $253.50. We have American Airlines also dips to $10.81. We have Pfizer also closed $27.10. We have Invesco QQQ close positive though, and we have NU Holding. We have Ondas. We have Snap close for $4.80. We have Benko. We have Ford Motors. Ford Motor is dipping a bit. We also have Mara. Mara is going up gradually and close at $8.96, gain 11 cents today. That is 1.24%. We have SoFi. SoFi also is red. We have Paramount Skydance Corporation also green. We have Macron. We have Micron Technology close red also. Nike red. Nuke Scale Power Corporation also red. We have the Comcast Corporation. You need to be familiar with most of these ticker symbols that I'm calling, because very soon we'll be analyzing few of these, and we might be looking for a buy opportunity. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, so that you can get the next video where I'll be analyzing one particular stock that I think we need to buy as community. So we have Bitmine Immersion also closed $20.17. We have Archer Aviation. Archer Aviation closed $5.34. We also have TerraWolf. TerraWolf closed $16.57. We also have Denison Mines Corporation. We closed $3.49. We also have Ambiv SA closed $2.97. We have Tense Pharmaceutical. We have Bank of America Corporation. We have Transocean Limited gain 9 cents. We also have Lord Banking Group. We have Palantir. Palantir also gained 2 naira 14 cents. Close 150 naira 7 cents. We have BTS. We have Art and Tea. These guys are dividend paying machine, guys. Art and Tea, they've been paying dividends for years and they are still paying. We also have Amazon. Also Amazon close green. We have Rivian Automotive. We have iShare Bitcoin Trust Fund coming down, guys, because Bitcoin price is actually not where we expect. Bitcoin got to 120 before pulling back to 68. There was a time it even got to 63. These are just 100% opportunity in disguise for those who will be able to be investing for a long time. We also have the AMD Advanced Micro Device also gain $1.35, close $221.53. We have the Stellantis also. We have the Supermicron Computer. We have the B2 Gold Corporation, Cypher Mining. We have Norwegian Cruise Line. Nobody is traveling again because Misa is just flying. Nobody wants any issue, you know. Everybody just coming down. And if the war continue, we'll get to the point where we'll be forced to do another lockdown. This lockdown as a result of gas, because most people will park their car and join transport company. And guess what? When we have a limited transport company, those people with job that they can actually do from home, we definitely switch from home, because companies prefer switching to work from home than increasing salary. And even when you increase salary, humans don't want to pay higher for something they know they could get less. So that we make a lot of staffs or a lot of workers to get to work late. So, but that is why we hope that everything will come to peace. By tomorrow, we'll get a new information that the market is calm. Trump and the Iranian Israel, they've come to a round table. So Netflix also is feeling the heat, and Carnival Corporation. So these are not stocks you want to pay attention to. So let's quickly go to stocks that you can be paying attention to, because that is where money is going. Despite the fact that the whole market is full of uncertainty, some stocks are still doing some good numbers. You can see Avis Budget Group currently up 20%, gain $42 today, close $255.15. Alignment Healthcare also gained 16%, $2.99, and close at $21.66. We also have Elevin Therapeutics This also closed at $43.16, gain 10%. Paramount Skydance Corporation gain 10%. Applied Opto Electronics also gain 10%. United Health gain 9.37%. Wing Yip Food also gain 9.26%. Saso Limited gain 9.06%. We also have Relay Therapeutics also gain 8.27%. We have AST International, Power Industry, Humana also gain 7%. Uraka Therapeutics gain 7%. VIAV Solutions also gain 7.44%. Kodiak Sciences also gain 7.515%. United Micro Electronics Corporation, CVS, PayPal, Broadcom, Peterson. So there are a whole lot of them, guys. Palo Alto Network, and we have Land Bridge also. We also have Credo. Credo also did well. We have Intercorp. We have Warmer Music Group Corporation. So these are guys. We have the Northern Oil and Gas International. So these are guys that actually move the market today. And you need to pay attention if you want to know where the money is flowing to. You need to pay attention to these stocks, the particular sector they are operating in. That's to let you know where the money is flowing. So once you know where the money is flowing, which are major sectors, it has saved you a lot of hours of your research. So right now you just know the sectors to pay attention to, and if you stick to this channel, I'm going to show you how to do those research so that you also can make money and retire early. So we're going to look at the top losers also, because sometimes you see opportunities in the top losers. I'm going to show you guys everything in this channel if you stick with me. Most especially the next video, we're going to do a full analysis on a particular stock and look at everything we need to look at. Then look at how much we are investing and how long we are going to hold. And time to time we will review that holdings, and maybe once a month or once a week you are going to be getting one stock to do proper analysis on. We have the Veradamics down 10.97%. We have the Mark Natural Resources, we have the Newscape Power, Azon Enterprise, we have the Upspot gain lost 7.15%. We have the Vinvas Auto Limited lost 7.13%. TTD, guys, I used to trade these stocks in 2021. This stock gave me massive money, guys. This is down 6.80% and close at $20.70. And we have the Lemonade also. Lemonade closed down 6.40%. Amount to close the price. The closing price is 58 naira 2 cents. We also have Plug Power. Also, Plug Power is dropping. We also have Scott's Miracle is dropping also. We also have KB Homes. KB Homes is dropping. This is not the time to go into homes, guys. We also have Centros Energy Corporation down. We have Lucide Group down. We also have Kama Holdings, which is down. We also have Shift for Payment, which is down. We also have Oklo. Oklo is down 4.45%, down $2.17, and the price is currently 46 naira 59 $46. I beg your pardon, 59 cents. So we also have other we have Dollar Tree also. We have Coastal Group. We have Kimberly Clark Corporation. We have M&I Homes also. These are the companies that actually drop in today's market. So we've looked at these. Let us look at crypto, because we're going to be looking at some stocks that are related to crypto. We've mentioned like three of them in the top and the most active. And by the time we're going to get them, do some analysis concerning them, you understand what we are doing. So that is why we need to pay attention to Bitcoin price. Currently it's going up, and I think we are approaching the 70 region. It has gained $1,104, which is a 1.60%. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum has gained $40. That is a $2,148.02. Again, 1.91%. We have Cardano also. Cardano is up 2.31%. We have Binance Coin. Binance Coin is up 1.93. We have SRP. SRP is going up. Dogecoin also, Chainlink. So we are not doing much of this here, just for you to know, so that when we'll be buying those stocks that are related to these. So let's quickly jump to the all share index and do some brief analysis how the market fared today. As you can see, the market is currently healthy, even though there's a bit of fear in the market. The all share index, the S&P 500, I beg your pardon, is currently showing strength right now, because at this region, we are all afraid at this region. We were all afraid because of this area serve as a rejection. We serve as support in this region. So we are looking at this area, that this area needs to hold. But I, for one, I was not afraid because I know that this is a third support region. So after this area here, you can see this area has served as support for a long time, and we are approaching this place. Is there a possibility that the S&P 500 is going to be hitting a rejection zone here? What is the possibility? Because if it hits a rejection here, for me, I think what will make the S&P 500 to hit rejection in this region is if Trump decide to carry out a threat. If the Iranians did not comply, if they did not negotiate, that is where we'll see another rejection here. And mind you, I don't think this support will be able to withstand the force that this is going to use to come down. The force that is going to bring this candle down, I don't think this support area can hold it. So if we have any break here, I think the next region we'll be coming to is this area, which was once a rejection point here, a strong and major rejection point. So definitely we can have a withstand here. And if it continues, mind you, we are going to get a few bounce from all these lines that I have drew here. So we're going to get a few bounce. And of course, I don't think the market will actually get to this point. And a lot of people have been shouting the market will crash and all that. You need to understand what it means for a market to crash. There are definitions to all this, and you need to follow this textbook definition. For market correction is 10%. For market crash is 20%. So if a market is not down 20%, don't mention crash. Please don't give someone high blood pressure. And if the market is not down 10%, don't mention correction. Just mention pullback. Because if we take our ruler right here and we'll come to this point, to measure it down to where we are right now, we are just 9%. So if we come down a bit, when we come to 6286, that is when we say this is market correction. So you can see that market correction is even far from market crash. So what price can we say the market has crashed? Let's take our ruler again and let's measure 20% down. So from here we take it to this point. So this is 20%. Let's just come to this place. So we are looking at let's come down a bit. Let's do 21. Yes, we are looking at 5.5. We are looking at 5.6. So these are the regions. These are regions that we can say the market crashed. And guess what? When market crash like this, is a buying opportunity, because men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie, and market is all about numbers. So once we get to this point, it is a buying opportunity, because in the time of what? In the time of market crash, he who has cash is king. He who has cash, because you're able to take advantage of a lot of opportunities in the market. And don't forget, when market crash, is not the individual company that crashed. It's just a whole general sentiment. So when everything settles, those stocks with strong fundamentals will continue to make wave. And that is why next video, I want to talk about this particular stock that I think is going to give us some cool money as a community in this space. Because right now that we are not much, I want to give you guys value so that you guys can see what you can have when the paywall is there. For now, there is no paywall. This is an opportunity for you to key in. Before next month, I'll open the WARP community for those who are interested, who cannot wait for me to upload video to let them know what to buy, so they can join the WARP community next month. But those of us here who just want to enjoy, I'm here to give you what you want, here to give you the stock But from next month, that is when, if I see opportunity and I cannot do a video, I can drop it there. If there's opportunity to do video, bet me, trust me, I'll come here and give you and tell you what to buy. All I need from you is patience. All I need from you is just to click the subscription button. Ensure you subscribe, because if you did not subscribe, I will not know if you watch the video or not. You will not get notification that I have dropped the video. Yes, you will not get notification. I want you to get notification, so you have to subscribe. And after you've done subscribing, you need to hit the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I post videos that need you to take action. Exactly. So thank you so much for watching this market review, and I hope this news did not come to pass, because it is not our own decision. It's not, we are not happy, it's not joyful to us for a whole civilization to die, no, or to turn a country back to stone age, no. So either which way, we just want either this party come to the table, negotiate, or this party did not, just decide not to carry out the attack. So that is what we need. We need peace in our country. We need peace in the world. We need peace in Africa, peace in Europe, peace in Asia, peace in the general world, so that we all can live peacefully. So that is what I just want to share with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post videos like this. Until I come your way again, keep making money and keep helping your neighbors. I love you all, my friends, and there's nothing you can do about it. Ensure you trade and prosper. Bye.